CompTIA, Tech Plus, FC0-U71, Practice Exam. Questions 116 through 120. This video is part of our practice exam video series, and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 116. An organization keeps sensitive workloads on premises, but also uses public cloud resources to handle web applications during peak demand. This combination of private infrastructure and public cloud resources is an example of which deployment model? The answer is A. Hybrid. A hybrid deployment combines on-premises infrastructure with public cloud services to create a flexible computing environment. Sensitive or regulated data can remain securely stored and processed in the local data center, while less critical workloads or applications can take advantage of the scalability and cost efficiency of the public cloud. This model allows organizations to balance security, compliance, and performance while adapting resources quickly to meet changing business needs. Question 117. A startup wants to avoid the expense of purchasing servers and networking hardware. Instead, it rents virtualized computing resources such as storage, processing power, and networking from a cloud provider, while still managing its own operating systems and applications. Which of the following cloud service models is being used? The answer is A. IaaS. Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS, provides virtualized hardware resources, such as storage, servers, and networking, through a cloud provider. Customers are responsible for managing the operating systems, applications, and data that run on this infrastructure, while the provider maintains the underlying hardware. This model offers flexibility and scalability without the cost of maintaining physical hardware. Question 118. A remote employee needs reliable internet access while traveling and decides to use their smartphone as a mobile hotspot. Which of the following internet service types is being used? The answer is D. Cellular. Cellular internet service uses mobile provider networks to provide wireless connectivity. Users can access the internet directly on their mobile device or share the connection by enabling a mobile hotspot. This makes cellular service ideal for remote work, travel, and areas without wired infrastructure. Question 119. A technician is troubleshooting a small office network. They discover that the device responsible for forwarding traffic between the local area network and the internet is misconfigured. Which type of networking device was found to be at fault? The answer is B. Router. A router is a networking device that directs traffic between different networks, such as a local area network and the internet. It determines the best path for data packets using IP addressing and routing tables, ensuring data reaches its correct destination. Question 120. An administrator wants to block unauthorized external traffic from entering the company's private network while still allowing legitimate communication. Which of the following devices is primarily designed for this purpose? The answer is C. Firewall. A firewall is a security device that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on defined security rules. It acts as a barrier between trusted internal networks and untrusted external networks, such as the internet. Firewalls can be hardware, software, or both, and are a fundamental part of network defense. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did. It's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you are always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.